Check out this footage of snow falling in Mammoth after the intro. That's right, snow falling in Mammoth finally. I know Mammoth is known for snow falling, obviously, but haven't seen a storm quite like this in many years, so wanted to record it for posterity. We're at the condo here off the balcony, and as you can see, the storm is just coming down. And early morning little footage here. You got the plows going earlier, and you can see people are already kind of boarding right there in the background. Yep, we're at the condo getting ready to leave to ride for the day, and yep, just kind of cool little footage. You'll see some the snow accumulation on the balcony floor in a bit, but yeah, enjoy.
You are being hypnotized by the sun to subscribe